Crash Bandicoot 3 Warped. Now I am on a road crash, and yeah, I hate these levels so much, so I'm probably not gonna like it. I saw that and I thought it was a hole. The shadows look so much like holes, it's not even fair. Ooh, I got a bit of a boost. Not really a boost forward, but okay, I'm in 5th place already. Still would like to be like in a higher spot. Okay, here we go. Doing quite well. With boost, you gotta be careful. And the other one, you don't really have to be too cautious about boosts and where they're gonna go, since there's not really many sharp turns. But in this one, you gotta be really careful, because half the time they won't even help you. They're just gonna boost you off. And that's probably why they're called boost, because they're gonna boost you away. Okay, I'm in 2nd place. I can do this. I can do this. Oh, I just messed up. Oh no, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, don't push me. Yes, I'm ahead. Just gotta stay ahead. Oh, no. Come on, what the frick? Oh my god, come on. So close. That's why this one sucks. I mean, it can't be worse than this one. Which one is this one? Okay, no, double header. I'm okay with that. Okay. Come on, road crash. You suck. Can't believe you're doing so well, and then last shot. Boom. Really thought I had it in the bag that time. This time I'm just gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna try and get too many angles. I mean, I've got to get some, but I'm not gonna like go all for the win. I'll also try just to, not crash into anything, or like things like that won't get me killed, and I won't have to really stop that much for it. Sure, I'll do that, but not extreme. Like I may fall in a hole if I mess it up or something. Because falling in a hole or going too far off the track gets you killed, and when you get killed, you get brought back on by the Ooga mask thingy, and it slows you down a whole bunch. Like as you saw just now when I fell down the hole, it got slowed down a whole bunch. These cars have such good control, it's not funny. This guy's right behind me. Okay, here's where that hole is, and I can't mess it up. No, oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh, come on! Nope. Frick off. What the frick, dude? Come on. That is bull shrimp. Okay, get the frick out of my face. Come on, man. It's so close. guys, all the time you're just gonna be watching me fail. So don't be surprised if I'm failing like 10 times in a row. I'm gonna be failing 20 times in a row. Do I really lose? Do I lose life every time? I really hope I don't. I don't really look at that. I really hope I don't. I shouldn't if I quit. It's only if I die. I don't even think, if I fall down a hole, I don't even think I lose a life then. Because that Wumpa, that mask picks me up and then I just go out of the thing. Oh, come on! Whoa, come on! Shut your freaking face! Yeah, it's already over. I mean, it's not near the finish. I still got a chance to catch up. I mean, I can get extra lives from this, but I don't know if I lose them. If I lose them, then I'm not going to be trying to get all the boxes. I mean, I wasn't trying to get all the boxes from the beginning, but I'm not going to even try now if I was going to. The boost doesn't affect them as much as it affects me, I don't think. Hopefully it doesn't. I don't even think they can. Do they? They don't even go on boost, so I don't know if it actually does count. This is where I would normally be in first place, I'm pretty sure. And that's where I fell down last time. No, 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 no. Are you serious? I was so close. It's because I fell in that hole the first time. I made all the good drifts and turns after that. I should have just quit in the first place. I knew I was going to fail. Skip this dude. I'll skip this hole. Can I bump them into holes? Do they even respawn if they go in a hole? I really hope I wish that some of them would just fall in a hole, like that guy in first place would just like fall in a hole. I wonder, can I bump them in holes? It would be awful hard. I mean, I can't really bump them. They bump me a lot more than I bump them. But what if I got them at an angle? Although they do, I mean, I can kind of follow them, but at the same time, their steering's much better. So, yeah, I wish it was like I wish you could upgrade your car or something. Because there is multiple levels of you on this motorbike, so I wish you could upgrade it. We're in third place. It's a bit earlier than last time. Actually, no, I was in third place last time. I think I'm doing good. Yes, I'm actually doing great. If I don't crash into this guy, yes. And when I said guy, I meant the police car. Oh my gosh, in a boost, you can't really turn that well. That boost at the end should help, should let me overtake him. Yes, come to Papa! Woo! Finally! Wow, that took a while. Wow, that took a lot longer than it had to. Double header, I don't like the sound of that.
Well, you've crashed a few parties before, but I never expected you to make it this far. If you don't turn back... I will inflict 1,000 years of suffering on you and the entire universe!
I don't think I can attack him. Oh, I can't. I don't know if I actually lose lives. I'm gonna get all of these. This just seems like I love these casual, these same levels because they're quite easy. They're just average levels. Like they're not like super hard. They're just swinging their meat. Oh, I can jump. Did I get back up? No, they don't. I can just jump on them. It's hilarious. That guy should not deserve a sword if he can't even, like, get it out of his mouth. Oh, come on. Maybe I should have done that. Okay, ooh, I'm good. Ooh. Check one. I thought I would lose the mask. No. What the flip, man? I don't know if these guys actually kill me. I don't know if they're like, they just knock me back or if they actually kill me. Anyway, what a checkpoint. I mean, I go in the circle thingy. And I need to get 65, I think, actually no, 55 to get 65 apples. I'm pretty sure to get another life. Sorry, I'm just kind of like stopping and starting. Oh, the jump rocks. I've got to die because I know the bosses up there. How would I jump out? I know it's easily possible. I just don't know if I can do it. Okay, whew, made it. I'm pretty sure I got that box. Is there any... Well, actually, no, so there won't be any more boxes. Boy. Hey, I got 2 lives. Kind of. Oh, I do die. So I can only come from behind if I'm gonna actually kill them already. So those are the double headers, I guess. Oh no, I fell. What the flip, man? Come on! Ah! Ah! Come on, come on. Wow, wizard. Wow, wizard. Bye, you wizard, a wizard. Ah! Oh my gosh, I didn't even see that go. How am I supposed to... Oh no, wait. What if I go from up here? Oh no, come on, I jumped! What the frick? Okay, I'm not even gonna get these apples. That is bullshit. Come on. So you can jump on him, I know that. Oh, come on. Come on, frick, you son of a frick. You son of a biscuit. Oh, do I knock him into him? Oh, yay. Done. I got the gem too. Ha ha, take that, you double header. Finally. But actually, that was a really hard, not really hard, but I didn't. Oh no, it's this time, guys. Those crystals, mine, boy. Dr. Entropy. Dr. Entropy.
Ah, you little vermin are way too stupid to understand what you're getting yourselves into. This time, you've done it!
He's coming to me.
Now you're on my time, you little skunk! Give me the crystals!
That seems quite easy. Double jumping can really help. Got him. Got him.
Is up, but yours soon will be too.
Spin longer and faster or glide while in air. press the X button. Wait, so can I? Hey, I can literally glide. It's pretty cool.
Insignificant morons! By defeating entropy, you have placed us all in grave danger!
Crash, Coco, you must realize that this time twister machine is very delicate. Without Dr. Entropy's constant care and control, who knows what it'll do?
Oh, that's his fault. He tried to kill me. What's this area? Wait, is there one more? I've got that one and that one. Yeah. This is the second last. I'm gonna come Coco for a bit. Oh wait, it's the wrong one. As long as there's no road ones or none of those like ones where the race ones. Tom Waiter Egyptian one. There's no Future Frenzy. Don't like that one. Tell No Tales. Okay, all of these are ones I don't like. Oh, Bye Bye Blooms. That looks like a funny one. I mean, a fun one. Okay, so they're all kind of like desert ones. That does explain the area. Oh, isn't that Dr. N? What was it? That guy, the half robot kind of person. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely not gonna get that anytime. Oh, actually, wait. Oh, no way! Sweet boy. No way! Yes! The best day of my life. I literally just got 4 lives and I'm on a bonus level. It's the best day ever. Oh, there's something behind me. There are 2 ways to go. Oh. Oh. I believe to be lost. Okay. Whoa. I think I'm just gonna get out of here, finish the level, and that'll be that. I just want to get out of here. I don't know the way. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, that guy's bad. Your mommy is a mummy. And who that? I want. Dude, mummies have mummies. Get it. Okay, yeah, I don't think I'm going that way. Is this like... Oh, is it? Oh, you're forgetting that guy's there. Get out of my way! What the flip? That... I don't know which way to go. This way's really hard, but this way seems a lot more like... Get out of the place. I didn't know Egyptians had flamethrowers. It's kind of like, I don't know if I want to know about it. Wait, what? Oh. I didn't know you could do that. keeping Crash under wraps. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I just love this new move. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Did not see that coming. It makes me like invincible. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, I'm back here. Wait, what? Am I back here at this place? Is this the, like, oh no, this isn't, oh, it just doesn't end here. Oh, it just ends here. Definitely got a lot of lives from this, so I guess I'm going this way. Oh my gosh, I was so close. I just made that. Monkey, you suck. Isn't this where I was just now? Yeah, wait, what? Hello, I believe there's been an issue. I have no idea where I'm supposed to go. Do I have to go this way? I mean, I was here just now, but do I have to do it again? This is confusing. Okay, so I did go the wrong way. Oh, come on, if I had a checkpoint here, that's annoying. Oh, I get it. Come on. This here is at least this checkpoint worked. I wasn't all the way back there. Yeah, and you open the box for me. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's not fair. I didn't see that. I just wait for the nitro to explode. All these for me. I've only gotten 10 out of 105. Oh, I get it. This one I died. Okay. Oh, there's gonna be something behind here, isn't there? Oh no, no. Looks like it's just gonna be. Okay. I mean, it does give me a little bit of time, but that's only if I jump on it. Okay. The only thing is, if I spin or if I attack it, it explodes immediately. I love this move so much. How do I like it? Whatever. Oh yeah, I got a mask. Oh, am I just gonna? Oh, is it just gonna take me there? Where's the end? I didn't get all the boxes, so it can't. I can't really predict where it is. Oh, this guy's got a flamethrower. Get away! Ugly. Hey, wasn't I here just now? No. You know, bonus levels, they're lame. They're okay. Never mind. I'm gonna get it because I do need lives, but still. Okay. I don't see any lives. Actually, no, I see one. One or two. Can I walk off? Are you serious? Are you serious? Whoa. Oh, come on. I even lost my mask. You know what? Never mind. I'm just going to skip this bonus level, and I'm not even going to get all the boxes, so... Come on. Wait, so all it does is make me dirty, and then I lose a life just for being dirty? Wow, I didn't know Crash had to be that clean. Seriously? Are you kidding me? I mean, I'm glad that the bunch of the checkpoints. Oh, and he fell. A lot of apples wasted. What? Are you kidding me? How is that even fair? There's two of them throwing stuff at me. Then he turns into a full monkey. Oh, I have to stand on the button. Yes! The end! And I only got 61 out of 105. Anyway, I think I'm going to end the episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.